Okay, sa yun natin dog guide me no. Ay, wait.
Hindi kita maghiwalay.
Okay, hindi kita maghiwalay. Stick together kita.
Grabe tat ano kapag maano kita.
Kung mamatay kita, ay ano rin, ilaw nga raw. Ayusa lang. So, what gag to sa kotse ah? What gag to, Nicole? Do not go.
Naraw niya. Ay, good.
Sa tingin mo, Nicole, maganda yung kotse nga yung color? Maganda ba?
Generation. I feel like kapag may makarang color ka stand out, kita yung mga.
Hindi ka ba nasa sore eyes sa ilaw?
June! Hindi, wala ka ba napapansin sa suot natin?
Pa? Yellow! Ano kita?
Jessica! Naiwanan kita ni Jessica.
Ano?
Ayun, mo.
Ano kita? B-boy kita, B. Dahil atong short sindoking nga to ay.
Gara, sweet lang itang po.
Pero no?
Susi.
Found it. At the top. We're off. Oh. May nakita ko, guys. Yes, sa window, I think. At the corner of my eye.
Wala pa yan.
Dito. For real, nakita ko from the corner of my eye.
No?
Wait, pwede na tumuksan do ilaw? Oop. So, atong goal, ay, you pick up an unknown key? Okay. Enable.
Tapos?
Agturan kita sa gawa at anondro CCTV. Then, pag butangan sa CCTV, butang rin do laptop. Then, ibuo natin do laptop, ibutang rin natin sa table. Ay, tama, table. May snack ba?
Wala.
Alinda?
Tubig.
Ay, tubig. Akala ko soft drinks. For real? Wala. Ikaw yung lolo mo, walang pagkain? Para sa visitors?
Sorry,
Wala ta. Paano ko magutom?
Hello.
From your inventory, okay. Let's go outside na. Sprint? Oh yes, naka-sprint ako. Be careful, guys. Oh, I thought I saw something from the corner of my eye. Okay. Iba man kita sa gawa. Wait lang. Guys, oh no. Iniwanan ninyo ako, repeat. Iniwanan niyo ako. Iya pata ako sa gawa. Ah, God. I'm scared. What happened? Okay. The mat. Agtorin kita sa bathroom. We're chill. Okay. We have to do our prayers. Okay, what do we pray? Okay. After doing your prayer, you were decided whether, we're not going home. We're investigating. Ginahanap natin atong ay Nicole nga grandfather. Mag-ingat guys, may monster at may 8 lives lang kita. So be cautious at mag-sprint. Oh God!
Kapuki.
Just keep running. Just follow.
Lumpat.
Guys, be careful, Saraya. Huwag kayong lumapit.
Sorry.
Run! Run. Okay, okay. I cannot see anything. Dala lang.
Fuck, dilim.
Dito. Guys, baliktad ka mo. Dito. Diretso.
Saan?
I-follow nyo ang name. So,
Kasi gago naman nag-stop ka.
lang. Parang, may alin ka mo? May key ka mo? Alin yung key?
Wala. May akong dalawang key dito.
Okay. Parang may ano kita objective. Mag-ingat guys. Okay, there's nothing suspicious. We still have perfect lives. We're good, pero mag-ingat dahil may iyang nga monster amat. Okay,
Ay nga, wait lang ka.
okay. Nothing suspicious.
Wala ko babalon.
Alin daw objective nakabutang? You saw how to meet niya. Sound after taking a picture. May ging picturean ka mo? Ging picturean? The closer
Find
to
out.
Bukan
Find
ko
the
pa man. Siguro mga iwang Domingo, 3 Domingo.
Ganap po kita house nga may lit nga candle. House with lit candle. Stick together guys.
Ano man ganda ang flashlight.
Waman yan ako masyado. Follow lang niya ako sa tracks.
Pwede mo ni Jessica Sinsi.
Nagbalik kita.
Lo.
Lang.
Na-delete niya kami, diba?
Sunod lang yaka akong sunod.
Chat. Bala kayo na.
Just! What are you doing? You're gonna die. I'm gonna die.
Chat, siin ka mo.
Yeah, ako, jump. Nakikita ko nga, just nga, no? I'm here.
Patay ka, Jessica. Kumangon ka. Bundol ka sa tanan.
Dito, over here. Follow ma. Wow! Where? God. Ano ba? Stop it.
Sige ta.
Dito.
Hindi ka na magaba.
Dito may cave. Are we good? We lived? Stick together, guys. Ato nga flashlight. Mataas do ilaw kung stick together kita. O, dito.
Gago, sino yan? Putik.
Be careful, Jess. Be careful. Oh God, run! Dito.
Gaga, siin.
Yeah, I'm here. Nicole, follow our name tag. Huh, you did?
No, bukon.
Yeah.
Kung siin tao.
Talikod. Yeah kami at the back. At the back kami. Yeah.
Okay, hello.
Balik kita. Diretso lang.
Gago ako nakita. Grabe dugo.
Stick together. Ignore. Ato
Reset
niya.
base.
Can I see anything, guys? Tataas mo lang do ilaw kung stick together kita. Wait. Basa na natin the objective menu. Find the house lit with candles. Find the house nga may candles.
Dato nga ni, di ba katatong inagtunan?
I think so. Pero kung bababi ang house.
Wamat candles, dato malanggid ka, dato nga to nga may mga kandila nga tong may ritual.
Pero tapos siya tato, ganit pa ako nung katat sa bilog pang house nga may lit with candles.
Ay, okay.
Pero yung picture mo, tanin nyo, may narigabi ako nga, flashed. May house guys, oh.
It's in the house.
Hello?
House doon?
Yes.
House yan.
How do we get in? That's the question. Ang laki! Ang laki ng bahay.
nakita kong shadow.
No, don't say that. Be careful, Jess, be careful. May disposable cloth ako ya.
Grabe naman, nakikita nga ano ay.
Guys, open the door. Oh my god, what's that? Take a picture, guys. Take a picture.
Yan, paano mag-picture?
Wow, natapos yung Raya. Take a picture. I'm scared.
Fuck, ano may basement, sanda?
Yung lock the door. Ano? You banshee? Alam, maging banish ka mo?
Kita.
Nicole, i-open mo the door. Nadlock tang. Look around. May sambilog pang door. Nadlock tang.
Ato, katli, dago mo, kadakara, oh.
Okay.
Logo, sa.
Be careful, guys. Be careful. Check the... Whoa, what's this? Take a picture.
Written in the wall. Written in the wall.
Harag yung picturean kon. Malapit sa well. You have disposed of the item used for black magic. Now you have to find out about the sorcerer. Take a route which cross over. Before that, find some wood planks. Wood planks kuno guys. Sa house, sarayang house. Come on.
Putahan.
Come on. Let's go, Nicole. Let's go. Ganap kita wooden planks.
In.
Sabi sa object menu.
Para mga wooden nga, ano.
Take the routes which crosses over. Hara planks, I think. This is the plank. Take. Okay. Oh, panic attack ako. Okay, ano masunod? You have to find out about the sorceress. Sorceress? Whoa, what's that? A baby.
Kita mo.
May bebit Sa puno. My god. Be careful, guys. May ilaw, guys. So, kita nyo?
Yes.
At may different route man yan iyo. Ay, wait. Alin da, guys, oh? Oh my god, guys. There's another house. Oh my god, there's a letter. Good. I took a picture.
A lot of died because of that sorcerer. Take a picture.
Me. Agto na to yung lit nga to kay na. Sinto ay. Wait. Oh my god! Una do monster. Nicole. Sunod di ako kon. Sin kita. Look around.
Guys, galib ako.
Haman?
Gaba ako.
Gaba ka?
Gaba na ako.
What? Why?
Doon na lang ako ma-join to man.
Sige. Take a picture man. Jess, we're on our own na Jess. We can do this, Jess. We can win, I think. Depende. Oh my god, I don't know monster. Okay, let's just go over here. Let's do again. Can't go this way. Okay. Wait for me, Jess. Okay, what's next? Objective. Still the same. Diretso lang. Unknown key. Number 8. My house, oh, I think. I can't go this way. May may sambil nga house. Okay. Unknown key, unknown. May something dun, no? Oh, there's another key. Just run, run, run. Guys, oh no, seen ka just.
Oh,
House. Now I am 100% scared.
mano.
Cannot see anything. This way. Oh God.
Yun na, Zane ka.
Nandun pa rin sa bahay.
Yun ako, nabuhi man ako man.
Okay, okay. I'm going back. I think ito yun. Una ka, Jess?
Yun ako sa may well.
There's a monster. Oh God, there's a
Grabe,
monster nearby. And there, oh God, just I'm completely lost. I don't know where
Zane ka.
I don't know where the hell I am.
Wait lang.
I died. I died. Let me see. Sa inventory natin, may strong flashlight kita, Jess. May strong flashlight na kita. May nakita akong three lines sa taas. Pinunta ron, hanapa rin do inventory. Then, agto rin sa pinakaidaw, may makita kang flashlight. I-drag mo ra yun. Wag mo nga i-drag away the phone mo. Need ron pag picture natin. Okay, okay. Malakas na yung flashlight natin. Where are we? Bukod malisod just, no? Still a thing. Oh God, what happened here? Use a phone. Okay, okay, okay. We're leaving just. Jess, run. No. Find the power. The power of the hour. Ah!
Wait lang.
Iya ako sa likod. I'm running for my life. Kita ko ikaw, Jess. Dito ako, Jess. Oh. I'm over here. Dito na lang tayo. This is the way.
Nagaling.
Sinay. I'm utterly confused. Let's just ignore this. We keep running. We're going this way. This way. Okay. Pick up a wood plank. Oh god, Jess.
Gabi na po.
Hurry, Jess.
Babo na sila.
Nani ko babo. Just ignore them. Just keep going. There's a monster inside. Run. Banished. I-recite mo ako, Jess? Ay, wa.
Wait lang.
Iya ko. Ting likod. Nasaan yung flashlight ko? Harang flashlight, kita ko. I cannot find my flashlight.
Namatay ka?
I died. Alas si Jess? Oh, iya ko. So, may monsters di ka to.
Tayo, pasok po.
Waka garan, Jess. Run a bit. Haran garan ka won. Garan ka na.
Uy, sa wooden plank.
Ah, may monster na, Jess. I repeat. Okay. Different route kaya tayo. Dito tayo. Ah, may monster man. Nakagton kita ya. Oh, may something over there, oh.
Ano objective? Take with something.
Find the sorcerer. I think ito yung find the sorcerer.
Go.
Be careful, Jess. Ito ba yan? Pick natin each key. This? Ano pa ito nga ra? How to open this? I think this is the sorcerer. Oh yes, hato. Pero, alin the key? What's the key? Kubaba tong key. I'm here sa pintuan. Figure out kung alin do key.
Wala na ako dyan.
Oh, you're at the top.
Ano kaming nagamit?
Dito nga ni ma-open.
Nagamit mo na lahat?
Oh, I think may mahanap pa kita nga sa bilog. Or may need pa kitang gagawin. We are gonna take the different route. Run! running, keep running. He's on my tail. Why? What did I do? May trail man yan niyo. Yes, I banish her. Chicken natin the house? Depends. Pwede nating check. Hurry.
Okay.
I'm stuck! Something ba dito? Yup. At yan yung key. I think. Ayun to. Hindi ko makita.
Wait lang. If I have moved out of this house, if you are searching for me, I am in Singapore. Tago.
Okay.
Gagawin mo ito.
Dito,
Saan ka doon ako?
dito.
Singapore, on your house?
Sino?
May arit house?
What?
May arit.
I think kay Nico nga lolo ron. I don't know where we are. Sindo, agyan it nga tong saucer nga to.
Diretso.
Huh. I only have 6 lives.
Diretso lang.
Collectibles 10, gin type. Ay, 1 pa. Still nothing. I think. What if i-cheat natin? Hindi pwede. Hindi nadasugtan. Kita mo just 15 out of 32 nga picture. I think. May kuwang. Where the hell I am? I'm lost. I am lost. Oh, God. Leave me alone. Please. I did nothing. I did nothing to you.
Where ka doon na?
Where are you? I'm lost. I traveled.
Yapon ako sa
What? I traveled far away na. Please go away. I don't know where I am. I'm lost. Parang galilibot lata nga.
Look, Juna.
I am lost. Akala ko nagsunod ka ako. What tagali? No?
Wait, send ako picture sa GC.
Ay.
Tanawa. Balik ko na lang.
Paano ako makabalik? I'm lost.
Saan ka ba nagpunta nga sa site?
Oh God. There's a lot of monster. In-investigate lata ko ya.
Nagpakit ka lang tayo. Saan ka ba?
Can I just banish another monster? That's good, I think. Kaya na pangalan ako tuway kung paano na ako makabalik.
Hindi ka ba nagbuntag?
I don't know. I'm lost. Nagalilibot lahat ng kainapat ako ya.
Kapan ako sa cave kung si Intel Sorcerers.
I think I'm ready to have a panic attack. Kala. $17 out of 32. Mag-look around ka, Jess. Look around. Wa man dun.
Balik-balik. Mama ko.
Nagabinalik manini ako. Ah. Nakita ko do tunnel ah. Yung sambilog nga entrance kid, it tunnel.
Nakalalalit lang kayo.
Yeah, I'm far, far away. Ubabo, tanga naging banished. Kita mo? Jin banish ay 13 na. Naging 14 yun ako may mag-agtulid ka ako niya. Can't, I keep circling.
Sabay.
Okay, there's a lot of monster. Hala! Nagbalik ako sa house. Why? As in the main house, gid. Take a route which crosses over. Before that, find a wooden plank in the house.
Oh, may nakita akong place.
Go, go, go. I'm just gonna hide. Iyagid ako just sa main house gid naton. Down. Find out about the sorcerer. You have disposed of of the item used for black magic. Now you have to find out about the sorcerer. How? I'm currently stuck. Babalik ako just dyan sa guwa. With many monsters.
Sa ibota ako.
Sin ka? Ay, may nahanap ka?
May nagtakin ako sa tentang. Then nagtabok.
Yes, you're gonna die there.
Gabi.
Ano kung paano ako nagbalik? Possible.
I'm going to
Ano kung sinito ako just I am completely lost. We got separated.
Oh.
Find the sorcerer. Yung alin mo, Jess? Hala, oh God! What did I do? Oh God, there's a lot of monsters. Jess, what did you do?
Mag-picture. Dito. Yun na.
Huh? I don't know where I am. I wanna find you. Saan ka?
Dito lang. Sabi-sabi. Naglalaro. Agtunan ta.
Saan
Hindi ka ba?
ka? Yes, sa big house. Nya puti.
Pinaka.
Yung may basement.
Wait lang. Ano? Ako sa me.
Kaya ako sa big house. Yung may basement. I live. Balikan kita sa sorcerer. We need to move. This is the place. What the? Alin dun? "15 seconds. Wait lang, gid. Okay na, Jess? Ito ba yun? Ito ba yun? Okay. Is this the right way? I don't remember. I think we're lost. We're 100% lost.
Tara, na ito. I don't know.
I think.
Ito na ata rin.
Oh, that's the one. I think open na yung door. Be careful, just be careful. Harawon. Ano pa need? Oh God! Sasud ako, just.
Kikita yun na. Gamit yun sa taas. Lagi. Kasi nga, pag mamatay ko sa helicopter.
We cannot go this way. Ano ba? The sorcerer is hiding somewhere. You have to stop the sorcerer from using black magic. A cave is a great hideout for sorcerers. Find the right cave. Tama ba to? Ito ba yung cave?
Yes.
Kasi need ng key. Nakasaka ka?
Yes, okay na. Jump lang. Hero, tang na.
Oh. Ay. What the? Kabe, Jessod. Be careful, Jess.
Go.
Hindi kita pachiton. Paano kung bukot try do cave? Sabi to find the right cave ko, no?
A cave is the great side of Earth. Find the right cave. Na ano man? Kaya
What?
already the
There's a
way
specific cave na naman.
na.
I think yung sambilong nga to, Jess. I-check natin. We have to go back.
Yan.
Dito ba yun? Saan ba yun? Ignore. This is the one? Check natin di karabas si una tag. Oh. Paano kung raya?
Habang iba, nakakari.
We must know kung raya gid man. Narinig mo to, Jess? Good. I think we're in the right place, I think. I don't know. Parang yun, it's getting louder na. I think this is the right one. I think. Hindi na pagkatagawak. Ay, right, tabasi. Mag-ingat, Jess. I got the key. Look around, Jess. I think may na-miss ka. Dahil may nakita ko yung sambilong na key. We need to like look around more. Dahil may kubawa patay ang area. Nandyan yung monster. Karan diretso. Kasi may something. Be careful, Jess, may monster. Ano pa kaya? I think we're missing something. Collectibles collected. 10 out of 11. I think we're missing something. At 20 out of 32 pictures pa. So we missed something. Ah, hindi ka rin, no? Ay,
Hindi kita. Papunta.
ano pa kaya? I feel like we missed another house. I don't know.
Ay! Ayoko mag-open.
Ha? Hala! Save the saucer from being possessed. How? How? Wait. I must look first sa ang inventory. Okay. How to look
Yes.
front gate. Okay. Here is the bottle. Paano, Jess? Paano? Yung, ano ko mag-recite? Mawi-wait tayo ng mga 15 seconds. Grabe, just atong journey, ah. You cured the possessed one. Okay. Drive back home to... Jess? Wait lang, Jess. Okay. Okay. Balik na tayo, Jess. We're going back home na. We need to leave.
Wait kayo.
Yeah. Let's go. Stick together, Jess. Hanapon natin do atong house na naman. Somewhere. Hmm?
Sorry.
Walang laman. I think this is the way out. Yan. We're gonna get lost, I think. Depende. Ano? Tama ba to? Si dog yan? Tapos na kuno, game is completed, drive home na kuno, hindi na natin mag-leave.
Wait lang.
Oh my god, Jess, I think this is it. Or no?
Wait ako, sudo. Naswa.
Ha?
Di ba dapat sa picture?
Okay. Yeah. Jess, where are you? Okay. Where is the other way? Oh my god, Jess, may monster. Si dog yan.
Yo.
I think hindi natin magbalik. As in, balik kita. This is the wrong way. Ah, hindi ka ra. Si dog yan. Whoa. Wait, take a picture. Run. I took a picture. Just keep going. Don't worry. Just keep going. Do not look back. Everything is okay, I think. Depende. Okay, he's gone. Yes, I'm an exorcist. Wait, what's that? Kubabot atong namimiss. 25 out of 32 pictures. As in like gabalik kita, as in go back. No, which way? Wait, isang bilog po. Check mo ba sa loob? Alin sa loob? Okay, took one.
Ito lang.
Okay. Ah, wala na. Where's the way? Is this the way? Nope, this is not the way. We have to go back kung sing ka to yung sorcerer, then pabalik kitang mayad. Saan kayo yung pabalik? We have to go back, as in go back. Ito ba yun? Or nagbalik man kita? Uh-oh. Jess? Oh, I found you. Ah, yan yung way. Parang nagbalik man kita. Parang, I think we're lost. Jess, I think we're lost.
Wait lang. Wait.
Ito ba yun? I think we're definitely lost. Nope. May isang bilog pa itong cave. Sa piyak. We're super duper lost. I think we're super duper lost. May isang bilog pa sa piyak.
Ayun, tatong cave ako.
Ito yung game picture natin eh. Ara, I think oh. Yep, this is the one. We have to go really, really back. Okay, we're going back na, ma'am. Close the door. There. Okay. As in, babalik na talaga tayo. Just keep going. Keep going. Keep going lang, just. Go. Run. He's gonna die. Is this the way? I don't know. Okay. I have to look another cave. Ignore. Sa idawom. No? May di karang ano agyan no? Sa likod. Din eh. We're looking for a cave. Nope. Ito sa piyak. Ay, may gasunod katon. Ito na Jess, we're leaving na.
Oh, nag-shoot. Balik ko sa cave.
Yes, there's 2 caves.
Yung may ulo na aswa.
Yeah, at dito yung may teddy bear. Ay, bakong skeleton. Tapos, nagdiretso rin kita. Diretso lang. At agto rin kita sa car. Bata ngayon natin masyado ging ano ra, ging warang, do buo, dahil ano ba, super doom. I know which way. What the? Where are we? Saan? Basta rayo to domain niya. Kusin do agit atong bahay won. Saan ba yun? Oh god, just be careful. Hala, Jess, nagbalik kita. I'm like deeply confused.
Kasi doon
I'm deeply confused. Oh no, we're lost. Para yung may ano, may unga.
nagbalik kayo.
Nagbalik ta kita? Hala, Jess, how did we go back?
Dapat gabi doon mo.
God, what happened? Super, Atonzo, ano, exit? What happened? Why are we here? God. Oh my god. Nagbalik kami kita sa cave. Oh. Nagbalik kami kita second time na to. What happened? I feel like deja vu. Oh, haron skeleton, okay? Diretso lang kita, diretso. Diretso lang. Diretso. What? No. No. Where are we? Bukatraya. Oh God, where's the way? Na-remember ko, may kita nag-agit bridge.
Lagi kita grade, pero like sa pinakalas.
Oh my God, just nagbalik ko man kita. For real. God, we are completely lost. Paano ako nakabalik sa house? Which way ako nag-agi? What? I'm deeply confused.
So, cave Daya. Okay.
Raya do, atong agyan. Okay. I think Raya, tas nagliko Ryan.
Lang.
I'm confused. What happened? We're completely lost.
Parang,
This is bad.
nagbalik kita.
Seryoso? We came back? We are completely lost.
Bro, sinta tong olag yan.
Wait. I must think first. Saan yung agyan? Basta to do ano do cave ato itong entrance pagsud natin iya.
Balik kita ya.
Okay, we go back. I'm confused. Everything is the same. Wait, paano kung di ka rito kita gaagi? I'm confused. Where's the way? Is this the way? No, this is the complete. Tapos na to. We're just gonna go to the car. Okay, alin day nga ra? Alice route. Okay, this is Alice route. Harando cave. Okay, Harando cave. Ano yung ginawa natin? Paano remember ko parang diretso malang? Just route?
Hindi mo na, right niya.
Wait. I'm completely lost. Diretso lang, Jess. Bridge ba yan?
Yes.
Jess, parang nagbalik kuman kita.
Ay, di ba
Nagbalik kuman kita! Ayoko na. Saan yung way? Way home.
Sa'yo rin.
Oh God. Oh God, oh God. Diyos ko Lord. Jasper are permanently lost. Saan yung way? Basta may tubig yun. Paano kung i-follow lang natin the water?
Oh, ya, alin niya?
I don't know. Wala pa na ako masyado na-check. My brain, na-fried na. Kain na pa ako. Sino pa talaga?
Gabon, kaway po. So,
I can't. Dito, abe.
gabalik kita sa bagay nga wife.
For real?
I don't know. Sabi ko, kita nagtuod na mayad.
You know what? I'm gonna cry.
Oh, kabalik ko ng tag to.
For real? Paano ko i-follow lang natin the water? I remember nga kung nag-agta ko sa bahay, kung sisinyo ta ako na nga natagpo.
Hanap lang kita.
Dito lang ako agya. Basit do agya nag. Jess, I found it. Jess? Jess! I found it!
Oh, kita tayo na ito.
Oh, dito. Yes, freedom! Ay, naku, Lord. Kaso may monster.
Gabi nga natong kalik.
Wait, Jess, may monster.
Ayaw ko sa kanya.
Oh, I think he's dead. Never mind. Dito, Jess, sorry. Get in the car.
Okay lah, tak apa. Lain kali
Satisfied ending. You're satisfied that you have explored enough. Maybe you'd come back again to explore the remaining. No! Tang.